Hello. Hi, it is Monday and I've got some questions about homework, so I just wanted to clarify for everybody how that will work. So here I am, I'm in my new announcements section. So I would scroll down and see if there's any announcements. Make sure you've looked at your syllabus. So I'm going to go to my content for the week. And I'm going to notice for week 1 that I see I've got my autobiography. These are all the videos you can watch. A knowledge check I can do twice, but I'm going to notice that there's homework. Let's see where homework is. Homework. It says due today. So I can click here. That will automatically take you to my math lab, and you can go in here and you can do your homework questions. So let's say I come in here and I say, okay, I have to evaluate those. So I have to add those up. So when I add those, that's 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And I click next. 5 divided by a number right there. Check it. Let's see if I got my other one right. Okay, I did. Oh, I didn't check it. I gotta check it. So I check it. Oh, nice work. Let's see. I subtract those. That's 56. 56 divided by 7. I click an 8. Check answer. What likes that? Okay, I go to the next one. Let's see. And it says twice a number and 9 more is 180. So that's that one. I think I skipped 4. Monica had $30 before spending Y. So she spent Y, so we take that away. Oh, it likes that. Now let's suppose 7 more than 1/3 can be expressed as what? Let's suppose I just didn't understand that. I could come over and click the question help, and then I can click view an example. And then it will tell me all these neat things. Then if I click continue, it'll tell me there's more explanations each time. So then I say, oh, I think I have an idea of what to do. 7 more than 1/3 of a number. So I'm going to have to write fractions, so I'll do that. W more than, let's check and see if it likes it. It does like it. So now it says use the commutative law. So I'm going to switch the order. But it says a multiplication. So I have to change the multiplying, not the adding. So be careful on that one. So I click. Use the associative property of multiplication. So right now I have the m and the 6 plus n that are grouped together. Now I need to group the 4 with the m. So I group the 4 with the m. Switch. Now let's suppose I'm done at this point, okay? I think I'm done. I've had enough. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click save. So now I can see which ones I've done. I can click OK. That's all you have to do for your homework. You do not have to then worry about getting a check mark here. It won't put a check mark here. It will not put a check mark here. You do not need to worry about that. You're done. You've done your homework. If I come in here, tells me what the class average, it can tell me grade distribution, so it can tell you some things here you can get. But when you click save, it'll automatically be there. So there is no need. So I hope that helps. Please notice here it says tutor. So if you need tutoring help, you click on that. So I hope that helps. You do not need to get a check mark. It'll automatically show up in the grade book. It will transfer over. All right, thanks, bye.